Okay. Okay. Hey, welcome back to your Caribou Data Science channel and the Google Data Analytics Capstone project, the cyclistic bike sharing service. Okay. I decided to do something a little trickier here. I'm going to use, I'm going to actually use a database called SQL free open source, very fast and powerful, but also nothing really a lot of overhead to it. Okay, to do some data cleaning and data combining to combine the 12 data files into a single database table, and then clean up the starting the starting station IDs and names and the ending stations ID and names. Okay, so we are missing some numbers there. But what's going to be interesting is we're actually going to do a join on the longitude and the latitude because they should be the same, right? All right. So where do we start? Well, let's just start over here for a moment. Take a look at another piece of code over here. So what we did over here is I came over here to databases, said file, import CSV, and I clicked and I imported a file. So this is all 10 of those files. Okay. The next, I ran a command similar to this. This actually starts to import to convert the individual tables into a single T1 table, which I then renamed to bike. Okay, so that's the insert. The one thing we got to do is we got to create an index. Create index. And that's what I did. Create index name on table. Let's try this. So the index is going to be created on longitude. Open. Okay. There's the code. index name. Table name, bike ride. Let's see if this works. Successful. Okay. Latitude. Okay. Let's run this. Now let's come back here and check database structure. What about indexes? Indexes, there they are. Okay. So let's come back over here. And what this is going to do is, this is going to make the joins much faster. Save that. Make sure we save that. Okay. Let's check structure. And there's our two indexes. So we can save those again, make sure. Okay. Now we're going to try to work on the joins. So, new query. Okay. So we can say select let's put the comma. What are we going to say? B, right? From so this is going to be S period period. I think this is going to work. And S dot, let's save this. Well, we didn't get an error message yet. Oh, this could be a beautiful thing here. This could be a beautiful thing. The reason that went so fast, first of all, SQLite is really fast, but the most important thing is the index. I'm joining on an index. Now I could, for instance, say, you notice here it says, so that's not good. Hmm. So let's just create a view here. First, let's examine this, okay? No, I can only copy one side though. Okay, I can't get to copy both sides. You copy one side. Well, you got, well, I guess you got the stuff on the other side. Let's take a look. The problem is create table cleaned as this, right? Create view cleaned. Now, I don't think this is going to work because, take a look here. Okay, that's 1.7 million. Bike ride, that's 3.49. So what we're going to do is, what about a join? Left join. Okay, we'll do a select. I'm going to do okay. Once again, from table, left join, table 2. From, oh, from, okay, let's get rid of this right now then. Okay, select columns from, well, let's just do it this way. So let's just say select from, let's just do it this way. Select from as B, stations. So I should be able to say, right? Okay, that appears to work. Okay, so let's try this. Create create table as this. Okay, so what this should mean is there shouldn't be any missing values. We got some duplicate columns here, but that's okay. We don't need to worry about that. And so what have we done? We've imported data. We created a table that contains only the station name, the station ID, and the longitude and longitude, latitude, start longitude and latitude. And we did a join, did a left join on the longitude and latitude between the two things. Okay, here you have it, right? Left join uh, on latitude and longitude. Okay, so this is actually, we've actually made some really good progress here. We've eliminated the missing station name and station IDs. All right. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that we fixed the. We may be missing something here. We've only used the. Okay. We've only fixed the start dates, right? We only fixed the starts. So there's still the numbers for the end dates. Okay. So that means let's just see something. Select star from clean where end station name. So we may have to come back and update the. So tomorrow we'll come back and we'll update the second set of numbers. We'll update the end station ID and end station number. Okay, but we'll actually use the same station channel to update the one yesterday. So be sure to come back tomorrow for the latest exciting episode of data analysis with SQL. Got to work on the new title. But anyway, thanks so much for your patience. I actually felt like I said we did some really we accomplished an amazing lot today, even though it's taken us about 30 minutes to do it. Okay. Again, thanks so much for stopping by. Hey, if you find us helpful, be sure to share this with other struggling data analysts. Okay.